How to use PandayBuy tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a tutorial of how you can use the platform that is called PandayBuy. It is basically an e-commerce platform that you can buy stuff from, and what is different about this and how you can use it. We're going to cover that in this video, so watch till end and let's get started. So first of all, let me tell you a little bit about the PandayBuy.com. PandayBuy is a platform that allows you to shop from China. It basically works as a virtual agent. It buys things from the local sellers that are within the China that you cannot access otherwise, and it is going to shop for you. It is going to get things for you, and then PandayBuy allows you to have it shipped on your location wherever in the world you are. It works in every region of all the world, so it is basically a shopper for you that buys stuff from China that you want. So how you can buy it, it is very easy. Like, this is the main homepage of PandayBuy.com, and here you can see that products link or name or shops link or picture. So there are three kind of things that you can buy the stuff from. You can add the product link or product name that you have just searched, or if you have seen it anywhere on the internet and you just want to buy it, you can enter the link of that thing and you can search for it in China. Like maybe you'll get it for some for some cheaper amount, or like the shopping center of the China and the shopping markets of the China are known for its lesser prices. So you can basically enter the link or enter the name of the product. Like, if any product that you're looking for, you can just enter the name of that and you can search it into the inventory of, like, where in China which shop has this product and where it is present and everything. And then you can also add a shops link. For example, if you know about a shop that is in China and you want to buy a specific thing from there, or you want to buy a couple of things from there, you can enter the shops link as well, or you can enter the picture of the product that you have in mind, or that you have seen around, like walking around Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you have seen. You can just enter the picture and you can search for that product in the PandayBuy as well. So it is a very good thing, because normally when we are shopping around, just going around, when we're just scrolling around on social media and everything, sometimes we really like a product but we don't know where to buy it from. So this is a good fix for you. So here you can see that it is a PandayBuy has an agent guide, can find the exact item you want, download the app. It has a tutorial of forwarding service, agent guide, etc. And here you have all the services you purchase the orders. PandayBuy agent team can help you purchase all the online and offline products in China with pasting a product link to make an order, and it is going to ship to the warehouse. You can purchase items from different sellers with us. Then these products will be shipped to the PandayBuy warehouse in China. Quality check. After items arrived in the PandayBuy warehouse, quality check of items will be provided with defection, size, etc. And then you have global shipping. They ship the whole pieces, whatever, wherever you are located, they are going to ship it to you. And you can see that you can freely choose items in your warehouse and submit them into one parcel. Ship it to your home by choosing a reliable logistics provider provided by PandayBuy. So there are some notices that you can go through when you are going to buy stuff, if there's something related to that. Now it is the sign up process. It is very easy. When you click on the sign up button right here, you can just go on and start the sign up process. Okay, so here you can see that sign up process. You need to enter your country, then you have your username, your email, your password, and you're going to confirm the password, and then you're going to add the verification code. So after all of these things, you can simply sign up. I'm just going to complete this process and then I'm going to get back to you guys. Okay, so I finally logged in. Here you can see that it is the same page, and now I can start searching for products. So for example, I'm looking for, okay, so I've searched for an electric oven, and here you can see that there are a couple of products that I am seeing right now. So this is an electric oven commercial 2-story 4-plate, which is for 2480. And then there's a Hongfeng electric oven. So there are all of the products that are available in China in the category of a electric oven. So you can just go on and search for them like that, or you can just go on and search for anything else if you want to, or you can add a picture of the product that you want to look for. And here you can see that you have a general category, then you have a sales category. Like, you can add different kind of filters to that. Okay, so this was in the sales categories. Here you can see that these are the options available in the sales, and then you have a reputation category as well. Here you can see that. And other than that, you can also add price allocation. For example, if you have a target that you want to buy a product within this price range, then you can search for that. So this is reputation. And if you want to like, these are good branded ones, and you can see that they're a little bit expensive than the ones that we were seeing before. And then you can add some kind of price allocation to that as well. So what you can have here is your home, and you also can add DIY orders. So in DIY orders, you have fill and buy and find and buy. So I'm just going to say, like, I want to find and buy. So in find and buy, here you can see that you can upload the product image that you want to have as as a DIY order. You're going to upload an image, add or describe your requirements. So you can also describe to the person that what you want. You're gonna have an agent will help you to find the products accordingly and confirm with you within 24 hours after receiving your submission. So they're going to confirm that are these products available or not in the China, and the service fee cannot be refunded if the agent has managed to find the products but you don't want to buy. So if the product has been found, then you cannot return the service fee, otherwise it can be returned. Like here you can see that you have a remark, you can add a description, the price range, how much you want to buy it in, the quantity, how many you are going to buy it in, send to PandayBuy. You can see that this is the agent, and the service fee is CNY 10 per order. So you're going to pay that and an agent will find that product for you. Now if you want to go and check the estimation of how the product is going to cost you when you basically ship it to your country, to your hometown, or wherever you're located, here you can see that you can go on and you can estimate the whole shipment cost. Please select the country you want to ship to, and the system will check if there are some available routes to ship to your country. Okay, confirm. Now here you can see that the destination of your product, you can see these are all the available countries that are available. I'm going to go into the country that I am located in right now, and let's see if they are shipping it there. And then you can see that the warehouse, let's say I want it from the warehouse who is the one. Then you have a mail restriction. I'm going to add a mail restriction, like let's say I have something related to cosmetics, common brand or luxury brand. Let's say this is the mail restriction. Then you have your weight. Please enter the weight of the products depending upon whenever you are getting the products from out from somewhere, foreign country, then it is the packaged according to its weight. So let's say the weight of my product is let's say 1 kg so it is being estimated in grams, so I have 1000 grams as my, and the length, width and height, it is not important, so I'm just going to leave it. So I'm just going to inquire. Okay, so here you can see that after inquiring, I've got my price. This is the packaged length, width and height information is needed, and transit time is 10 to 15 days from the who is the one warehouse, and this is going to be the shipment fees, and this is the shipping fees if and the transit time is 10 to 25 days, and cooperating with China postal customs clearance, 2 single sides will be charged according to the actual weight. The tracking will be updated after the parcel is dispatched. So you can go on and check all of these out, and depending upon, and if it suits you, you can just go on and order a product. If it doesn't suit you, then you can basically just go on and leave it. But I think it is a really good fix when you're finding products online and you cannot find these kind of products everywhere, and it is only available in China. Or even if it's not available in China, you can just go on and ask that agent to find it for you, because China has a huge market, and every product of the world is basically most of time manufactured in China. So you can buy directly from there, and you can get everything that you want when you are basically looking forward to it, or if you are just someone who is good who wants to shop, or if there's some specific product that you want. I'm just going to search a product by a picture as well, because I want to see if they can find that product for me or not. So I'm just going to upload a picture really quickly. It is a very simple picture of a sweater, so I'm just going to go into my pictures. So I have some pictures of these dresses. So let's see that I want to buy this dress, and I'm just going to upload the picture of it on PandayBuy, and let's see if the PandayBuy can find it for me or not. So I'm just going to wait until it loads up. Okay, so it found the exact same item for me, and here you can see that it is available by different vendors in different colors and different prices. So I can just, and in different stuff as well, like this is our sweater dress, and this is a knitted, this is also a sweater, but this one is in a different fabric, this one is in a different fabric as well. So I can just go on and buy it in any color that I want. I just saw that color, I really liked it, but now I have a lot of different options that I can buy from, and here you can see they all look very pretty and very promising. So whatever suits me, whatever stuff, color, and after seeing all of those things, I can just go on and buy it from any vendor that is selling this product. So here you can see that this one is selling it for $42, then $63, $44. I have different price ranges. They're not very fluctuating, but they're almost teeny tiny bit different from each other. So depending upon the location of the vendor and the material that has been used, sometimes the prices differ. But this one is available in 38 and this one is available in 30. So you can see that the prices are a little bit different, but you can just go on and buy it from here and it is going to be shipped to your hometown, whatever address that you provide. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.